I'm speaking today with James Destro, General Manager of Manufacturing Practice at Hitachi Vantara. Welcome, James.
Thanks, Greg. Great to be here.
So tell me a little bit about your role at Hitachi Vantara.
Yeah, absolutely. So I lead our manufacturing practice team, which consists of subject matter experts in the manufacturing space, as well as digital transformation experts. So we can help companies go from operational improvements all the way through digital improvements.
So what does that manufacturing practice do? What's the charter?
Absolutely. So we work with a customer-first approach. We offer operational advisory as well as digital advisory. Through the value engineering efforts that we do with that, we can ensure that our customers get the best approach towards the ROI, and they can build out a full business case towards their initiatives. Additionally, we offer asset-rich solutions. So we can provide our IP that we've learned from existing implementations inside of Hitachi manufacturing environments and provide those to our customers. We drive outcomes specifically around equipment reliability and availability, predictive quality in terms of reduction of scrap, reduction of rework, and overall improving of the quality, and improved plant efficiency and throughput. Below that, or underpinning all of this, is our Lumada technology, our IoT platform and data services. But when we do that, we implement it with a hyper focus on the outcomes that our customers are trying to drive. And finally, we package that all together with a white glove service so that we can run these solutions long-term for our customers and reduce the total cost of ownership for them as they do their implementations, and finally run the solutions all the way through production.
Well, I'm sure you must be talking to customers all the time. What are you hearing from them, and how can you help them?
Right. In the manufacturing space, we hear about equipment reliability challenges, throughput challenges, and they're always being asked to do more with less. Right, do more throughput, provide more customer experience, more flexibility in the manufacturing process, and do that with less operational costs. Through that, they approach us, and some of them don't know how to start their manufacturing digital transformation journey. We offer advisory services to help them get started and really progress that journey. We're experiencing there's an operational silo and a data silo. We see those two very distinct operations and data from the IT and the OT expertise inside of the companies. Through our processes, we bring them together and we unite them around common outcomes and goals that they're trying to achieve. And bringing the data together really drives data science as well as physics-based types of engineering outcomes for the customers as well. It truly drives transformational journey, but what we hear is our customers have this a low return. Right? They experience implementing technologies, but don't truly get the return on their investment. And through this, we found that it's really a people change aspect that's missing as part of the equation. So we've actually introduced change management as part of our normal implementations. This takes training and the implementation and the people side of the equation into effect so that we can truly transform the organization, not just from a digital technology perspective, but also from an operations perspective.
So how's your portfolio of manufacturing solutions evolving to help your customers?
Yeah, absolutely. So we offer a broad range of technology and services and capabilities, which includes a lot from our video insights portfolio. This brings together our capability to measure the unmeasurable. So our customers ask us for capabilities to measure the people and the process along with instrumenting the equipment. Right? And as you get towards understanding how people are interacting with the machines and the environment, it becomes very challenging to actually physically measure and approach. Through advanced solutions such as video analytics, we can start to drive that in a normal and efficient operation. We can measure what would be a golden performance in terms of operation and look for deviations through that. We also have what is called solution cores. These are reusable elements of capability that we can implement across the board in our implementation. So it's a very modular approach, and it allows us to get to the outcomes that our customers drive.
I'd like to close by recognizing that all this has to take place within an ecosystem. Can you talk about how you work with the ecosystem?
Absolutely. We work with them in several different ways, several different partners. First, we embed technologies. Right, we embed services into our offering. So we have those third parties integrated in where we encapsulate the whole thing into a solution for our customers. We know we can't build everything ourselves and we know we can't deliver everything ourselves, but we do want to provide that entire wrapper of technology to our customers. Second, we work with our cloud technology partners. right? We're not a cloud infrastructure company, but we want to be able to offer cloud-based solutions for the most cost-effective environments. But we can also deploy to our own enterprise cloud when companies need an on-premise, private type of cloud solution. Additionally, we have partnerships with very large ERP vendors. A lot of the solutions that we do in manufacturing require ERP data, ERP integration. So we're an Oracle and an SAP Gold partner in that perspective, that we can actually do those implementations and large-scale cloud migrations. Finally, as we bring together the entire Hitachi ecosystem, if you think about 110 years of OT expertise, all of these manufacturing facilities, the Japanese methodology for improving manufacturing and continuous improvement, together with our background and heritage in IT, over 60 years of implementation of IT, this really drives the power of digital industrial transformation.
Great to talk to you. I've been speaking with James Destro of Hitachi Vantara. Thanks a lot, James.
Thanks, Greg.